This is Ragi. Really like Palvi ma'am's Ragi paranta, but I've made it with wheat. Boil water, about 1 jug we have boiled. This is Ragi atta. You can see. Now it's open. You can buy as much you want. Although it is a little expensive, approximately 100 per kg. So we have taken this much, one bowl kuttu atta, and we will take 2 times flour, wheat flour. I think this is one time. I think I'll take 3 times because it is very less of dough that will knit otherwise. This is second time, and I'll take. Uh, I think I'll take one more. So I'm taking 3 times of wheat flour, 1 time of this ragi atta. And since my dough is almost about to get over, I'm going to tilt the remaining also in this only. Since the flavor is not apt of ragi, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Red pepper is not there anymore, so I'm adding black pepper. You can add red pepper. Now to this for flavor, I'm adding, this is home roasted zira powder, and I'm going 1 teaspoon, and this is the second teaspoon. It's all 2 teaspoon of zira powder for extra flavor. I'm going to add to this, I'm adding sandha namak, pink salt, 1 teaspoon. So depending, and little bit more. This salt is not that quick fast तेज नहीं है नमक. So now this all you mix with your hand. Wash your hand and then just mix it. See, this is kuttu atta. This is, sorry, ragi atta, and you can just mix. I have closed the boiling water. Once I mix it, the flavor is not that cordial. You can also add besan if you like, but I feel ragi is okay, good. So here the ragi atta is still stiff. See this, so this needs to be minced. So here you have little stiff ragi atta. For this I have boiled the water. I'm going to add the boiled water in the dough. So I have taken one whole jar of water and boiled it. If I require any more water, then I'll take room temperature water after that. So this is the hot water. I'm going to add whole of the hot water in the flour. This is one whole. I think this much is sufficient. Half I've left little bit, but I'm going to add that also because the ragi dough consumes lots of water. It drinks water. So this much water is sufficient. So it is steaming hot. I'm going to leave it for some time. I don't want to mix it even. So we'll leave it. You can mix it, stir it if you like. Here I have a, I'll stir it a bit, but don't put your hands in such a hot water. So we'll keep it aside for some time, and then once it cools down, we are going to knit the dough as a normal dough. Okay, it should not be that tight. Keep on adding more water if you like. So just mix it. See, so we're trying to mix the water in the dough. It's going to drink whole of the water. After 5-10 minutes, you can knit the dough. It's still warm, but I'm just mixing the dough. And then just knit it like usual. This is very hot still, so you can add red chili powder and the salt, sanda namak, as per taste, and mix it and make the dough. It is very hot. I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. Knitted the dough hot only. This is the mug, this much mug, one whole mug water I had boiled, and that is sufficient. Otherwise, you know, these doughs are very soft. See how soft it is. Otherwise you keep on adding the dough and you keep on adding the water. So this is the measurement I've already showed you. So in this case, this is the patili, this much water I had put, and this is roughly 1.5 liter or think, I don't know, you can judge what liter it is. Okay, so this much water, and this, the ratio of the dough is 3:1. One this ragi atta, but see the color is still ragi is winning. Although ragi is 1:3 ratio, ragi is 1 pan, and wheat dough was 3 times more and little more. See, these are left. I can add more water, but I'm not adding, because otherwise I already explained, you keep on adding 1, then you're adding 2, it doesn't make sense. Best thing you can do is just knead it like this, so that the white portion goes off. It is still warm, so no need to add extra water to this. Now I'm going to take it out in a pan. Here I have put the dough in the pan, and this is a napkin. I'm going to damp it and use it. So this kind of ragi only you take it out if it is not knitted in well. Now this is a damp napkin, and keep it in the fridge now for some time, and after some time you can make the chapati. How you're going to make? You make the chapati, they're going to be extra soft, because see, the dough is very soft, and then you don't have to damp it too wet, because we have already knitted the dough with hot water, so it's very soft. What you need to do, I usually make parantha with it, make a chapati, and I roast it with ghee, so it's very yummy. So you can make those. We are keeping this dough in the fridge for setting, and after you can use it after 10-15 minutes. This is the tawa pan, and this is the dough after keeping in fridge for about half an hour. This is the dough, you can see. We are going to make a chapati out of it. Let me tell you, it is very soft, very soft. Handle with care. And here, so we are going to roast it first, dry roast it, and then we are going to roast it with the ghee. So I have changed the side, let it cook. See, now it's done from one side. It's just like chapati only, see, so fluffy. Now from the both sides it's done. Just like a chapati, if you want to have good enough. I'm simmering the gas now, and I will apply some ghee on it. Gas is on simmer, mind you, now. So this is beautiful, you can say parantha, but this is actually really yummy with the curd you can have, and if you have some legume. So do try making your own ragi chapati. Ragi has its own strong flavor, so better to mix it up with the regular wheat dough or any other chickpea flour if you want, but I mix it with wheat dough, and see how soft it is. I'm showing you, it is so soft, really soft, and it is all well cooked, very hot. Just see how soft it is, very soft. I'll just show you how soft it is. So always mix it with the wheat flour. 3 times wheat flour and 1 portion of ragi dough. And when you bring ragi dough, just bring only 1 kg and use it twice or so. Don't bring in bulk. Bring fresh ragi flour always. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you use ragi flour. It's good source of multigrain flour. So such a lovely and soft it is. It depends on water. See, you have to put loads of amount of water like I showed you, one whole jar. Thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy your meal and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Happy Healthy Cooking and Lifestyle. Thank you so much.